What's up, everybody? We're back with another crazy adventure. We're at this claustrophobic cave. We got Alex and Ryan with us today. Let's get off into it. Oh, my Lord.
Wonderful. Let's get some of this.
Yeah, I'm fixing to grab his bag.
It always seems funny that people who full commit are slower than people who try not to commit at all.
That thing?
Oh my god, dude. That is so many spiders.
They're everywhere.
They're too fast.
Oh my gosh. This one's moving.
Just go. Oh my god, dude. These are huge.
Dude, they're everywhere. There's more this time.
I really like hearing that.
Oh, there he is.
Dude, oh my god.
I'm going around.
Keep going. Don't stop.
I can't.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it's right in my face right here.
Oh my god, dude. It's like right freaking
Watch your left side.
I was about to call on me.
Yeah, wait till you get over here. There's a big one crawling up this wall right here. I'm getting him right now.
Lovely.
And you're through.
I'll take your word for it. You ain't
Bye.
on the bottom yet. Blindly stick your feet in this hole.
Yeah. That's how I feel.
Period.
It's like 10 foot straight down under your foot.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Didn't mean to do that, but it worked. Tight jump, man. Now we got water.
You should be able to step all the way around it.
Yeah. This is a tight turn, that gum.
Yeah, there's another one right here
The
too.
water did not like the direction it was going. Yeah, I can step over it. Oh, this looks crazy right here. It's like dragon scales.
You got some popcorn coming up right here.
Yeah, I saw that too.
On the way back.
All the way right. One tight squeeze, and I'll walk. This is a shortcut you need to
He made it.
remember. I think I can put about 8 inches on the one.
We're getting taut now. A little bit. Taut and low. It's like sweet and low.
Yeah. Having a little bit of fun right here.
Yeah, we are. Yeah. What up, dog?
What up?
Some sticky mud too.
Yeah.
This is like. Let's see if I can get them coming through. Oh wow, that's dark.
It's extra creamy.
My turn?
Sure, you can. They don't. Which is probably where the 60% coming from.
Yeah. So there's tattoos.
Yeah.
There was a tiny little like inch-long salamander in there.
Yeah.
How much more of this, dude?
Not much.
Okay.
We'll be walking here soon.
Yeah, this is left side. tastes like I'm already on it.
Telling me nothing. Left side.
Now we're back to crawling.
You kind of come to a point, Ryan, to our left side ain't a thing no more. Yeah, it is. I know it was a little difficult to traverse in here, but it's a cool little room once you get in here. This is our time down here, guys. Dang, that pool has gotten a lot deeper than last time. It was for real.
Don't put your hands in for everybody gets the film. Before we leave, I'm gonna get some mud.
That's so clear.
Dude, that's a bathtub.
Over this wall?
No, we're going through it right here.
Yeah, but it takes you out the same spot, right?
Yeah. If you want to go over it, you can.
Probably going to.
Dang. Dude, this is huge in here.
Oh!
That's crazy. After all that crawling.
Right.
Yeah, this is huge.
All that tight area, claustrophobic stuff, and then it's this.
Oh, that's crazy, because you can see where the formations formed from the water just curved around this wall right here.
There's so many up there
dude.
too.
That's crazy.
Look, there's so many up there.
Like, that's insane. Can I take my bag off?
Yeah. I mean, you probably ain't got to. It's easier.
I hear you like me on the backside.
We're all geared up. Ryan is on rope and we are heading up. There's more. Yeah, that's what I was trying to do.
That's the right way to make that happen.
Where did that come from?
I want you to touch the wall. And just continue this, and then do our drive coming down, we're going to take off in front of you. Really fun.
And not one time did you think, oh, or did I even feel anything?
I know, like, what the hell?
Hell, you need to see the spot line.
You what?
See the spot, look at this line,
I'm,
back here. What are you on?
yeah. I can't look at you, man. You got your oil?
Yep.
Sweet.
Rope though.
Oh, well, I'll stay still then. Welcome to tandem climbing.
What are we doing? We're tandem climbing underground right now.
Yep.
Might as well keep going.
Got to. I need those crystals.
I can't look up long. Look at that formation. If this man don't quit helmet checking me, bro, we're gonna have some problems.
We got money boots.
Whew. We're up here.
Yeah. That's really one of the sketchier things I've done right now.
That looks terrifying.
You never did get in it like a seat, like you could sit down on that like a damn seat.
I couldn't have.
A rope around the butt back of my shoulders and pushed it out to my butt so I could sit down there.
These bolts don't look terribly bad.
Oh, they're pretty nice.
I was about to say, that one looks pretty new.
This top anchor is sketchy even if both of them broke. My cow tail, I hooked my hand extender on that rope, and then I unhooked my cow tail off. Put it on the bun here, right there where your hand is. Yeah, just like that. Come on up. Come on up. There we go. Come on. When you stand up right here, turn around and grab that cavern right now. Just let it hang. Or you can put it back on. Equal pulling. There you go. There you go. Just take it completely off and run your cow's tail around this way.
There's a formation over here that looks like Harry Potter's wand. Look at that.
That's wild. That's crazy. That's a column. Like it's the smallest one I've ever seen. That's wild. It's tight. It's like pencil thin.
That's the stalagmite.
Yeah.
Is that what you call them? The ceiling and the floor?
Yeah, we are.
The rope down there.
I just have the water.
Look how smooth that looks.
It's like caramel. It's crazy looking.
Oh, there's so many bat bones out here. These little twig looking things, that's bat bones.
They've been like everywhere. Notice that.
So y'all ain't seen the signs all over the side of the road?
So we got a split here.
Oh, this is wild looking today.
There's like labeling tape or something right here. It's like a ribbon. Oh, we need to, it cuts back under there.
Where should we go?
Let's go this way first.
Yeah.
Dude, this part of the cave is actually insane.
It's like art.
Oh, there's crystals right here.
Dude, that's hard as fucking rock. It's hard as a rock. How do you do this?
There's some big ones right here.
The water layer was receded.
Yo, this actually looks so sick. It's like sharp little like pins.
Yeah.
Hold on, I gotta get a picture of this. Yo, there are.
We gotta go back down over here.
I was gonna say I could see a big room under.
There's a lot of bat bones over here, you guys.
Kind of smells like death right here too.
There's so many.
Oh man, look up through this.
It's going.
You see all I see, don't you?
It's going.
There's so many bat bones, dude. That's legit insane. Gotta stay on the line.
Yeah.
That actually looks so crazy.
Yeah, and over here, we just like the very thin amount of mud that just flows through here to make the design like that, you know? Grip. Yeah.
The formation is wild.
Yeah.
There's one up here too. It's like all white.
There's everything through here is crazy looking. Oh, that is wild up here.
Oh, those white formations over there against the wall, dude.
Yeah, dude, look at them through this like chute and ceiling.
Oh, wow.
All right there. Back through that way. Look.
Oh yeah.
That's insane.
We're at the end. Can't go any further. There's nowhere to go.
At the end of the line.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Just gonna turn back now.
I guess we do.
Alright. Crazy though.
Yeah, but it's not much further. Well, no, it's not much further than that. Just sit down. I mean, you just sit down.
Here we go.
Yeah, that way in that bag.
All right, changeover is done. We got the 8 hooked up. Coming down, Alex.
Alright, he's all yours now. Like that egg.
Yeah, I actually really do.
Yeah.
Now let me lay out.
Alright. Open up number 2. Yeah. Alright. Pull yourself towards the wall and lower this. Next thing is lower this. Let's get this thing back. Yeah, I think that's better. One time damage. Beautiful. Alright, I'll turn it into it.
Something about are you good?
Yep.
Well, you're hanging on now.
Yeah, hold on.
You thought of it for a second. Yes, you just put the phone and hold it up.
There we go.
There you go. That's it down to it. Can you put this back out?
Yeah, my mustard something done on the cavern. I didn't know you was going on the road.
Hold on.
Well, he technically is, but also isn't. Congratulations, you got it. You got it really well, too.
Video. If it shows up, I hope it shows up.
Alright, we're down at the bottom now. We got that changeover successfully, and now we're gonna start heading up out of here. Alright, we were coming down from the big dome room, and there's a giant room up here we just found. We're about to go up here and check it out real quick.
Right here. We'll leave out this way.
This is a big little room.
Dang.
I hope somebody heard that other than me.
We're in the top crawl. The top wet, muddy, low crawl.
Night crawling. That's gonna be crazy. Yeah, somewhere right ahead of you on the right hand side. Gotta run back into that. You've been doing what I'm doing way back there. When I say far left, I mean it, man. I'll put that toe over there as far as I got to.
We're in a room.
You're in the room.
There is no room.
We've almost made it. I can see the stream.
That's me cussing you out every time. Piece of shit, son of a bitch. I'm through that. I'll be moving out of your way.
Oh, I'm out. I'm out. I'm at the end of that crawl, dude.
Yeah. This probably goes that direction, too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I quit looking for that tunnel back, but
Yeah. Might back over there if we still have to crawl a bit.
You almost out, dog?
We'll get them there.
I guess I need. Actually, when y'all were crawling through earlier, above me right here,
Mm-hmm.
I seen y'all's lights coming in from right here.
Really?
Yeah. I thought y'all was gonna come down this way, but y'all come down way back there. This is where I come in now. So go to the right, up into the road. Somehow, I don't know how. I thought it was gonna be peanut butter all there. With plenty to fall into. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like I was stuck upside down. With plenty to fall into. Stuck for all the wrong reasons.
Probably have to leave off.
Right. I kinda want to This tie right there, he's not gonna like it much. This Did you check out left?
I've went left before.
Oh, was it bad?
Oh, we're almost out of this thing. Oh, we're almost out. What you think, Ryan?
Oh man, nice and fun.
There's two out. Alright, we've all made it out of that claustrophobic cave. We're all covered in mud. It's been a crazy adventure. Be sure to check out Alex at Underground Explorers. I'll have his channel linked down below. Check out Ryan on Facebook at Hiking With Us. I'll have it linked down below as well. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.